15 lightning ideas that will totally transform your dining room. As much as we would love to renovate every single room in our house and turn it into our Pinterest dream, finding the budget and the time makes that seriously prohibitive. But you don't have to settle. There's a sneaky trick that helps you update your dining room without any demolition involved. It all comes down to your lighting. Watch and be amazed.
Before starting, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you will not miss my upcoming videos. Let's start quickly.
Tie up a rope. Were we expecting this? Not at all, but do we want to immediate copy it? Channel the mid-century. If you're obsessed with anything mid-century modern, this one's for you. This fixture feels retro but doesn't look too dated. Fake it till you make it with paper. Want something that looks expensive but won't actually break your bank? Try a paper pendant. Think vintage. In this octagonal dining room, a vintage butt-neck pendant hanging from the skylight glams it up. It's a less fussy alternative to a traditional crystal chandelier. Try an unexpected shade. If you want to keep your dining room neutral, add some character with a bold drum shade. Choose one with a subtle pattern and it'll pop even more. Go geometric. This dining room is already given off Art Deco vibes thanks to the mirror and lamps, but the chandelier takes it over the top. For a little bit of glam that doesn't feel too dated, try a geometric fixture. Get lit with lanterns. These two English street lanterns were originally pole mounted. They add a more relaxed feel to a dining room. Go retro or go home. Electric color brings energy to 1960s inspired beach house. The wood chandelier with tiny linen shades up the cool, casual feel. Dress down a formal room. A simply pendant fixture takes the formal edge of this dining room. If your furniture feels a bit more stiff, take a playful approach to lighting to balance it out. Play up a coastal vibe. This beach house dining room gets more coastal charm. Thanks to shell chandeliers, the sound they make in the breeze will have a forever dream of the sea. Industrial but chic. Don't want your farmhouse to feel too shabby chic? Industrial lighting to the rescue. Texture for days. For beachy boldness, lighting a dining table with rattan pendant lamps. If you don't live by the coast, they'll still help add a laid-back feel to your space. Be bold with bubbles. A bubble chandelier gives this tiny dining nook so much whimsy. If you aren't working with a ton of space, try a tiny chandelier. Get shell-shocked. An abalone chandelier in the dining room of this Hollywood Hills farmhouse is a luminous foil of the elegantly distressed table. Clean lines always win. If your room is busy, time to pattern, color, or an impressive gallery wall, opt for a simple chandelier. Choose something neutral with clean lines so it doesn't look too chaotic.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. This is all for now. If you have any questions, you can write in the comment section below. If you have any other ways, would love to read them, mention them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.